Right, welcome back to the Parent Effect. Today we are looking at arithmetic sequences. And I know when you look at that word, you're probably thinking, I say arithmetic, and you do. But when we talk about sequences, when we describe them, we actually are going to call them arithmetic. And in ACE Maths, you're going to learn arithmetic and geometric sequences. So today we're just going to focus on arithmetic, and we're just going to be looking at the term rule, which is the very first one. You can see there, this one here. So let's talk about what an arithmetic sequence even is to begin with. It's just any sort of sequence which goes up or down by the same amount. So if we take a sequence, let's start at say 10, go down by 3 each time, then that would be an arithmetic sequence. And when we talk about arithmetic sequences and we want to use the formulas that we have, we need to give different aspects of them a letter so that we can know how to substitute into the formula. So first of all, the very first term in a sequence is A. So when we have an A here, they're meaning what is the first term in the sequence. The next thing that describes an arithmetic sequence is what it's going up or down by, and we call that the common difference. So it can go up, in which case it's a positive number, or like in this case, it's a negative number, so it's going down. So D is the common difference. And then the last thing we need to know is N. And N is just the term number that we're looking at. So UN means the nth term. So if I was, say, for example, trying to find the sixth term, I would replace N with 6. So let's look at some of the examples. So the first thing I do when I look at a question is identify the key elements of it. So for example, here, I know that A is 12. It's going down by 3. So D is equal to -3. And 17 is going to be my N. So then I'm just going to plug into the formula. So the 17th term, U17, should equal A, the first term, plus N minus 1, so 17 minus 1, lots of -3. And then I just chuck that on my calculator. And I get my answer, -36. Which is a lot quicker than writing out the numbers. Right, the next one. This time they want to know how many terms there are in the sequence. So before I think about that too much, I'm still going to start with the same thing. I'm going to go, right, A is 11. This time it's going up by 4, so D is +4. So no A, I know D. I don't know N, so N is the question mark. But I know that the nth term, or the last term, is 643. So I want to know what term is 643, because that will be the number of terms in the sequence. So I'm going to take my formula and I'm going to substitute what I know. So I know that the nth term is 643. I know that A is 11. I don't know N, but I do know D is 4. So then I'm just going to expand that. So this is going to become 4N minus 4. I'm going to move the 11 and the 4 over. So if I add 4, I get 647, subtract 11, I'm going to get 636 is equal to 4n. And then I'm just going to go 636 divided by 4 is 159. So the 159th term is 643. And that's all we're looking at today. So there are some lovely questions here for you to have a go at. And there are the answers.